Well, just as much as Detroit relies on the auto industry for a healthy economy, the auto industry relies on a healthy economy. Well, each year, Alix Partners produces an automotive outlook report. Mark Wakefield of Alix Partners helps produce that report. I asked Mark about the current status of the auto industry.
We've seen it declining, and we see the wind no longer being at the backs of the OEMs and the suppliers, and so now a real choice around how do we balance the near and the far, the case investments connected to autonomous shared electric, the way we approach that, the business models related to those, the investments that we have to do to stay generationally relevant on the technology and on the market, as well as the current business of, in the U.S. and China, declining markets, that the U.S. cyclically, China also cyclically, very different looking for different reasons, but net you're now fighting for pieces of the pie, dealing with the shift from car to SUV, dealing with those near-term challenges, and managing that cash balance around the near and still maintaining that development through the decade.
Well, is there any alert you can give me right now about the auto industry? Is there anything that they need to know immediately?
The addressing of the structural costs so that they can invest through a cycle in the plans in place, and that they can have a plan to get through a lower downturn, as well as, if you've got that plan, you can definitely get through a moderate one. Those plans have to be over the cycle, and whether you believe 2021, 2023, it is cyclical, and that does happen. And having the ability to actually fund your way through that consistently allows those engineering, allows those manufacturing assets to really pay off. If you start going one path and then have to adjust structural costs, those are things you don't want to do often, but you do want to do early, where your degrees of freedom are more.